lipstick besties, this is Victoria Lone. I'm back with another video, which means another color by the name of Positano. Oh my gosh, you guys, this color came out so bomb. It's like a purple sheer base lip gloss with a chameleon effect of a iridescent blue and purple glitter. You guys, I cannot wait to share how I made this. Stay tuned. Let's mix it up. Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick, mix it, lipstick, mix it, lipstick, let's mix it up. Mix it, lipstick, mix it, lipstick, mix it, lipstick, let's mix it up. Alright, lipstick gang, so before we jump into today's video, I just want to give a shout out to all my current patrons. Hey y'all, the full recipe to today's video and all my archive recipes will be on my Patreon, you guys. I can't wait to see you there and have you as a part of our family. One of my beautiful patrons by the name of Priya has requested the dupe to Fenty Beauty's Miss Jellyfish, which inspired this video. As soon as she requested it, I ordered everything and I was super excited to recreate this color. So let's get to work. First things first, I got my Versagel to my bowl, and then right over that Versagel, I'm going to pour in some Hydrogenated Polyisobutene. This particular recipe doesn't require any oils. With that being said, the Hydrogenated Polyisobutene can be substituted with grapeseed oil or a thinner oil of your choice. So I'm going to start on the color phase. I'm going to be pouring some Hydrogenated Polyisobutene over some batch certified red 27 alum lake, blue number 1 alum lake, and some titanium dioxide. And I just want to stress to you guys how important it is to wear a mask whenever you are mixing powders or pigments. And so I'm just going to mix that really well. For the color phase, you want to be sure to thoroughly mix with your hand silicone spatula, or what would be more ideal is a hand mixer, but it was way on the other side of the room and I had already got started. So here I am just mixing for dear life. But yes, a hand mixer would have been way more ideal for this situation. So now that our color phase is complete, I'm going to go ahead and add some of that to our pre-made lip gloss, which was the Versagel and the Hydrogenated Polyisobutene. You don't need much. And here I am just correcting the texture with a little more Hydrogenated Polyisobutene. And that's going to take it from that very jelly texture to more of a lip gloss. Not too thick, not too thin, but that perfect consistency where it coats your lips and it lasts for a while. You guys, this is so pretty. Now I'm going in with some purple blue orange shift. It is a chameleon mica, and I purchased this from justpigments.com. I'll be sure to link it in the description box below. And this is what's going to take our purple from that basic purple to a magical unicorn iridescent lip gloss. It is one of my favorite glosses that I have made so far. Thank you so much, Priya. And now I'm going in with some preservative cap 2, which can be purchased from TKB. And this, you guys, is so pretty. And I'm just drawing up my syringe, adding on a pipette. I reverse the pipette, clipping both ends, and I am just gonna repeat filling it up until it is full. Add on the cap, and you guys, we have created a 15 milliliter beautiful gloss a beautiful dupe of Miss Jellyfish. If you want to purchase this beautiful lip gloss as an individual or wholesale, I have it available on my website by the name of Positano. It is so pretty, you guys. I think I nailed it. VeryVeeloBeauty.com. I have wholesale and the retail sizes available for you. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for allowing me to share my gift with you over the years and now. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Until next time, bye.